Hello viewers, welcome to Simply Food. Today I'm going to show you how to make egg chicken chow mein at home. To make egg chicken chow mein, you will need boiled noodles, boneless chicken pieces, eggs, sliced onion, chopped garlic, julienne carrot, cabbage, julienne green bell pepper, julienne yellow bell pepper, chopped beans, chopped green chili, turmeric powder, red chili powder, black pepper powder, soy sauce, tomato ketchup, chili sauce, salt and white oil. To make egg chicken chow mein, into a pan add 1 tablespoon of white oil, add 2 whole eggs into it. Scramble the egg with little bit of salt and black pepper powder. Take the scrambled egg out from the pan. In this recipe, I cook the chicken separately with some spices and keep them aside. Into the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of white oil. Add sliced onion. Here I am using 1 medium-sized onion. Cook the onion for a while. Add chopped garlic. Fry it for a few seconds. Now add boneless chicken strips. Fry it for some time. You can also visit our Facebook page. The link of our Facebook page is given at the description box below. Now add salt, black pepper powder, add turmeric powder and red chili powder. Cook the chicken with spices for a few minutes on low heat. Add soy sauce and green chili sauce. Stir it nicely. You don't need any additional water while cooking the chicken. Into the another pan, add 2 tablespoons of white oil, add sliced onion, fry for a minute. Now add julienne carrot, cook for a while. Add julienne green and yellow bell peppers. Add chopped green chili and beans. Cook for a few minutes. Add salt and black pepper powder. Mix them very well. Now add tomato ketchup, green chili sauce and soy sauce. Mix all the ingredients nicely. Add cabbage, cut into thin strips. Mix it nicely. Add boiled noodles. Mix with the veggie mixture. I boiled the noodles previously with pinch of salt. Add previously scrambled eggs and cooked chicken. Mix the chicken and egg with noodles very nicely. Your homemade egg chicken chow mein is ready and served. Garnish with strips of cabbage and fresh coriander leaves. Thanks for watching. Like and comment on my videos, share my videos and subscribe my channel. And please don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.